On the road again. So today I'm heading to Sungai Buloh, and I'm gonna attend a function to commemorate this adventure rider. So more updates to come. Yeah. Okay, after an hour on the road, I finally arrived at the Yamaha factory. Check it out. There's a robot, and then that's the entrance. Okay, check out the hardware, man. Good stuff. Okay, all the friends are ready.
Hello. Hi everyone. Okay, so
That's the guy.
Okay. Hello, I'm Bing Moto. Thanks everyone to come here today. So I want to thank for Honda Yamaha to provide me this opportunity to share my journey with you, especially the boss here. They spend their precious time attending this event. I think I'm standing here. Okay, and the media friends come to here. The fans 10 kilometers away from Malaysia. It all starts from this. T7 has a global country record. It's not just in Malaysia. And I've ridden 27,000 kilometers. Actually, it's fine, but Yamaha, they have a higher status of the commitment. So I contact the Yamaha Malaysia, and immediately they send a pass to me from Malaysia to Dubai. They also arrange, okay, if you want to... I look at all the bike on the market, adventure bike segments. At that time, I was nobody, 400, 300 followers on the social media. So I look at Chinese bike and all the Japanese bike, European bike. So I wanted to find the perfect machines to meet the criteria. Most off-road capabilities and the reliables and highway comforts. And you can find the bike that are very good off-road. You can find the bike very good at on-road. But you cannot find the bike that are very good off-road, on-road. Also, extremely reliable bike. A bit struggle in the Europe. In the helmet, to have a deflated wings, also have gloves. My hand in the exhaust to hit my hand, and in the gloves. I water bladders in my tank bag, so when I ride it, I can drink from the hose. And 4-5 liters for emergency, because most of the time I can buy the bottles.
Handphone ada dua, yang ni boleh lain. Tapi ni ada spare handphone, saya pun dapat spare handphone.
Okay, steady. Lambai sikit boleh?
Boleh lah.
Okay. Belanja lambai.
Belanja lambai
Okay, one more time.
This is style like that.
Jangan tak motor, okay, motor.
Jangan bawa kelakar pula. So that was the meet and greet session with Bing Moto. So if you may ask who is this guy, he's a Taiwanese motorcyclist who rode from Malaysia to London. Clocked about 50,000 km and actually visited many countries in different continents. And having seen some of his content on social media, I would say this guy, what he did was quite motivational. So Bing was invited to revisit Malaysia, and during the meet and greet session, he shared his experience on setting up his bike and all the need to know about riding overland on such a wide and far adventure. So I never met the guy in person, just today, and personally speaking, the guy is just super duper humble, very obliging. He was very willing to take questions from the crowd, and also I think in terms of riding a Yamaha Tenere 700, that's the very suitable personality. No hang-ups, no airs about it, no diva attitude. And immediately after the event was over, he was ushered by a bunch of riders to the East Coast on a tour. So yeah, man, that's everything in a nutshell. And I would like to thank Yamaha Moto Malaysia for the invite and including me in this event. Very eye-opening and all that. I hope they can come up with some Yamaha PG1 event in the future where we can see even more riders. Yeah.